Let me show you how to change the time and also time format and date format on your Garmin VENU 4 and VENU Active 6. So the first time you actually pair your phone and watch together, you should automatically be able to set your time so from the phone. So it's kind of automatic process, but also you can customize this even further. So let's go in the settings. Simply on this one I have to click the upper button. So click settings over here and then swipe all the way down to the system settings. Then basically time, and as you can see you can actually change your time format. By default I think it's 24, so I have already changed it to 12 hours. And also we can change our date format over here and also set our time here as well. So as you can see, by default it will be auto, but again, to change your times, we simply have to select the manual time, and then we can basically click over here and change the time just as you need. And also we have this time syncing with GPS as well, if you need that feature. Anyway, good luck.